Are you tired of wearing your hair the same every day? Well, I got you with this fun hairstyle, a Dutch braid. There are many different forms of braids than you think. However, it does take a lot of practice to perfect each one. Learning how to Dutch braid as well as learning other braiding techniques isn't as easy as it looks. It takes a lot of practice and focus in order to get it right. To some people, braiding is a form of art, also being very therapeutic and to calm your nerves down and etc. After watching this video, I hope it guides you well enough to perfect a Dutch braid. First, you are going to part the hair down the middle in a neat and straight line. When the hair is parted, you are then going to tie up half of the hair, keeping away from the section you will be working on. If any pieces from the section you are not working on get involved, it will become messy and leave your hair tangly. Afterwards, you are then going to take a small section of hair on the top of the person's head and split it into 3 even sections. You are going to take the right piece of hair and cross it under the middle piece, following by taking the left piece of hair and crossing it under the middle piece as well. When done completing these first couple steps, you are going to take a small portion of hair on the right side of the head and add it to the right section piece of hair in your hand. After doing so, you are going to repeat the same process but with the left side of hair, grabbing more hair from the head and adding it to the section of hair in your hand. When completing these steps, you are going to finish braiding down the head until you reach the bottom part of the head, tying it up when done. You now have perfected a Dutch braid. It's going to take a lot of practice to perfect a Dutch braid, but the more you practice, the better you get. I hope this helped inspire you to try out new braiding techniques.